Hello friends, I say good day to you all. So this our today question. We have 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 2. So we are told to find the value of x from this given problem. Let's get started. Solution. We can rewrite this our 4 raised to the power of x as 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x. That's law of indices. If you multiply 2 raised to the power of x by 2 raised to the power of x, so you will get what? 4 raised to the power of x. That means we are going to replace that 4 raised to the power of x by 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of x. So you get 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2. So we are going to make 2 raised to the power of x to be p. So letting letting 2 raised to the power of x be p. So we have p plus p multiplied by p is equal to 2. P multiplied by p is p squared. So we have p squared plus p minus 2 is equal to 0. So we are going to use quadratic. So we are going to solve this problem quadratically now. Can we use factorization method? Let's check if we can use factorization method. Let's multiply this our constant minus 2 multiplied by this p squared. We have what? We have minus 2p squared minus 2p squared. So let's find two numbers. If we multiply the two numbers together, we have minus 2p squared, and if we add the two numbers together or subtract the two numbers, we are going to get plus p. So let's think of the number. Let's start from minus 1 and plus 2. That will be minus p multiply by 2p. We have minus 2p squared. And if we should add these two numbers together, say minus p plus 2p, we have what? We have p. That means our two values we need is what? Minus p and what? And plus 2p. So let's do that now. We have p squared minus p plus 2p minus 2 is equal to 0. So let's factorize out now. We have p into bracket p minus 1 plus 2 into bracket p minus 1. So let's take p plus 2 together and take 1 out of the p minus 1. You have p plus 2 multiplied by p minus 1. Don't forget to put your equal to 0 and equal to 0 here too. So you have either p plus 2 is equal to 0 or p minus 1 is equal to 0. So if p plus 2 is equal to 0, you have what? P is equal to minus 2. And if p minus 1 is equal to 0, you have what? P is equal to plus 1. That's positive 1. We are not through yet because we just find the value for p, but we need what? The value for what? To the value for x. So now let's recall that 2 raised to the power of x is equal to p. So when p is equal to -2, x will be what? 2 raised to the power of x will be equal to -2. So if this is equal to -2, we want to find x. To find x here, let us take the natural log of both sides. By taking the natural log of both sides, you have ln of 2 raised to the power of x close bracket is equal to ln of -2. So x ln of 2 is now equal to what? Is now equal to ln of -2. So our x1 is equal to ln of -2 over ln of 2, which will give us a complex answer. You get what I'm saying? So this is our x1. When p is equal to 1, we have what? 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 1. So let's find the x here too. If we should take the natural log of both sides, we have natural log of 2 raised to the power of x is equal to natural log of 1, and natural log of 1 will give you 0. So you have x ln of 2 is equal to 0. So divide both sides by ln of 2, you have x2 is equal to 0. So these are the values for x. Let's check. 2 raised power 0 will give us what? Will give us 1. 4 raised power 0 will give us 1. 1 plus 1 will definitely give us 2. So these are the values for x. Therefore, the values for x from the equation are 0 and ln of -2 over ln of 2, sorry, over ln of 2 close brackets, so respectively. So we are done with our solution. I'm sure you like this solution. Please like, share, comment, and on the notification, press the notification button so that anytime I post videos, you will be the first to watch the video.